So how
Yes.
are you, ma'am?
I'm doing good. What about you?
Yeah,
How's
yeah, I am
it
also good.
going?
I am also good. Thanks for asking.
How's your practice going? English practice.
Well, yeah, my English practicing is going well.
hmm Yes, I have seen so many videos on your channel.
Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you.
Yes. Okay. For my viewers, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, yeah. Why not? Why not?
Okay.
My name is Vivek Kumar, and I am from UP district Bijnor. If I talk about my qualification, I am postgraduate in English. And as far as my profession is concerned, I am a
Mm-hmm.
teacher by profession, and basically my teaching subject is English. That's all about.
Okay. Okay. I'm Tanya Singh and I'm connecting with you from Jaipur city. I am a homemaker. That's all about me. So today, can we discuss a topic?
Do you have any topic?
Yes, I have a topic. Very good topic. But first I will narrate a short story. Short story. After that, you can understand what is the moral of the story.
Okay.
Okay? Can I start? Okay. Once upon a time, there was a monastery. In that monastery, there was a master and so many of disciples living in that monastery. One disciple was very good. When the education was complete and he was about to go their home, the master said, please come and I will give you a magic mirror. After hearing this, the student feel very happy. Oh, master is giving me this magic mirror. Then he asked his master, what is special in this mirror? Then the master told him, when you place this mirror in front of anyone, then you will be able to watch the so many qualities, like he is arrogant, like he is very good person. You can watch so many qualities of that person. Then after hearing this, he feel very happy. Oh, now I can see so many things. So my friends also, my parents also, what they are thinking. They are kind or they are not kind. They are wicked. So many things. After that, he thinking first I will try this technique on my master. So he placed this mirror towards his master. After that, he saw that there is some arrogance, some attachment feelings, full of you can say his heart was full of some good qualities like attachment, kindness, but there was a small amount of arrogance also. After watching this, he shocked. Oh my god, I was thinking my master is a very pure heart person, but he has some
But
arrogance
I
also. Yes, but he had some arrogance also. After that, he applying this technique on his parents. His father was a very good person and he was very famous person in their society, and his mother was a kind woman. But when he placed this mirror on their parents' side, then he watched that my parents are sometimes very rigid. Sometimes they are very rigid. After watching this, he feel very sad. Oh, this whole world is full of you can say bad qualities. No one is pure heart. Then he feel very restless, and he decided I will again I will come back to my master and I will ask my queries. Then he again went to the monastery and he told all the things to his master. The master, this whole world is full of so many bad qualities. Nobody is perfect. Nobody has a pure heart. Even you and my parents don't have the pure heart also. After hearing this, the master, uh, understand the situation. Then
so
he told him,
listen to me.
yes,
Did he
uh-huh.
put that mirror in front of him?
No, this is the climax of the story. This is the
Okay,
climax
okay.
of the story. After hearing this, the master placed the mirror on towards his disciple. After that, he saw there are so many bad qualities like arrogance, selfishness, jealousy, so many bad traits he see. Then the master told him, first of all, you are watching like so many things in other person, but you are not watching your own bad qualities. Then he understand why he had given this mirror to me. Okay. So by this story, we are conveying the message that this is a very simple thing to criticize anyone without
Yeah,
knowing their actual reason, what he is facing in his life. We are just saying, oh, he's not doing good in his life. Sometimes we criticize. So the moral of the story, with first of all, we should give, you can say, so many attention to ourselves. We should look our qualities. After that, we should look other person, because it is very easy to say some other. It is very easy to criticize any person, but we are not looking our qualities. If we use our intelligence our good growth, then it is useful. But this is a, you can say, human tendency. We are using our intelligence to criticize anybody. So this is the moral of the story. Okay. So now we will discuss.
yeah,
Criticism is a good thing or bad thing?
yeah. We always think about others, that you are not good, you are
Yes.
bad, you are making mistakes
Now
here.
you got it. I think now you got it my point. What I want to say by this
Yeah,
story.
yeah, yeah.
Yes.
I got. That's why I am saying this thing. And we don't see ourselves, how many mistakes we do, how bad we are, how dirty
Mm.
person we are, but always we think about others.
Mm.
This is the moral of this story. So,
Yes. And
moral of
mhm.
this story is that we should think ourselves first, how good we are, how nice we are.
And what are our demerits?
Yeah. You are right. You are right. But your
Sometimes criticism is a very good thing.
nice. Your story is very nice.
Thank you for this compliment.
Where did you read this story? Or you
Because
are the creator of this story?
no, I am not the creator of the story, and I'm not giving credit of this story because I have heard this story on YouTube. That's why today I decided I will discuss this story with my co-learner. After that, my viewer can also understand. First, we should observe our qualities. We should give more and more attention to our qualities. Criticism is a not good thing, but in some area it is a good thing. If we are giving a comment like in a respectable manner, that time
Mhm.
it is good. But sometimes some person are using very bad language, you know, in the comment box. I think it's not a good thing, because
We
after
should
criticizing, we can understand what are our demerits. But
Mhm.
the way should be very respectable. But most of the person are not doing such like these things, like they are using sometimes very vulgar language, you can say, in the comment box. Am
Yes,
I
you are.
right?
Yeah, you are absolutely right, ma'am.
Yes, because they are sometimes laughing at us that they are not speaking correctly, but they are not watching, like they are giving their efforts. They are trying,
Mhm.
but there are some person, they are not trying to speak English, but they will criticize you.
Yeah. They never try to speak this language, or they never try to do any work. But when they
Yes,
see the other work and other
yes,
mistakes, then they say, "Oh, you have made a mistake. Why did you do this like this?"
they are not trying to correct you, but they will criticize you.
Yeah.
They have no
And I
power,
think,
face.
in my
Yes, yes.
opinion, those people should praise them that you are doing a great work.
Mm-hmm. Yes, they are not boosting your confidence also, but they will, most of the time they are discourage you. You can say
Yes.
there are number of persons. They are not praising your effort. They are just discourage you. You are not speaking correctly. Your pronunciation is not good. Everything will take time. After some
In
time,
your
it will be improved.
in your opinion, what should we do with these people?
I think we should ignore that type of people.
Yeah. We should pay attention on our work.
Yes, we should focus on our work. And I think sometime if there are number of comments, they are not good, that time we should reply also in a good manner. Because if
Yeah.
every time we are ignoring that type of person,
In the same
they will.
manner, not in the same manner. we should
Yes,
reply in different manner,
yes,
respective manner.
yes, respected manner. But sometimes we should reply, because if every time we are ignoring, I think it's not good.
Yeah, yeah, you are right. You are right.
They will take advantages from your side, because they will think, oh, this is a weak person, he is not able to, give any response, so we can harm that person, we can give bad comment also.
And for some days, we should ignore them. If
Yes,
they try again and again this dirty thing, then we should reply them.
sometimes some person are taking advantages from your kindness also.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You are right. You are right, ma'am.
Sometimes strictness is a good thing, we should apply this.
Because I think they think that he is not replying me. It means he has done mistakes. He has
Yes,
not power to respond
yes,
me, to reply me.
yes, every time it is not, I think, compulsory, but sometimes we should reply.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, and by this story, we have learned so many things. Like, first, we should observe ourselves. After that, we should criticize another person.
Mhm.
Yes, if you are criticizing some person, first you should tell their mistakes, and you should tell some, remedies. How can you overcome these problems? After that, you should criticize. Otherwise, you have no right to criticize anyone.
Yes, yes, yes. But your story
Yes.
is full of knowledge. Very good.
When you tell a scene using a story, that time your co-learner will, you can say, feel very happy, and after that they can elaborate it very in a easy way.
Mm-hmm.
Because
Yes, yes.
unnecessary we are talking, I think it's not good. There should be a topic also.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. There
Yes,
should be a topic. If we want to be fluent, if we want to learn this language or any other language, so there should be a topic.
yes. If you like the story, you can narrate your own story also, and it
Yes.
will be, very, you can say, beneficial for our viewers also. They will
Yeah.
gain some knowledge also, and we can say it is a motivational video also. We can motivate, because there are so many bad vibes, you can say negative vibes on the YouTube, so many things on the YouTube, but I think we should spread some good knowledge.
Yes, yes, yes. You are right.
Yes, anything if you want, you can edit in your video.
Right now,
Yes, you can say anything.
someone is making me a call, so I
Okay,
think
okay, I think it's a very good session with you. I hope you also enjoyed this session.
I took so much enjoy.
Yes, and we will do a, you can say, very good conversation in next time.
Yeah.
Whenever you feel free, you can drop a message. Okay?
Okay, man.
Okay, bye bye.